And so my work spread with $0 in marketing because I started to get really good at working with people who believed what I believed, and they told their friends. And I would turn down business with people who were the wrong fits. The people I said yes to were the ones who believed what I believed, because I started with why, and they would say things to me like, "You're onto something." I'd say yes to those. And they did more to build my practice than I could, because they believed what I believed, that they would tell more people about me and my work than anybody else.
I remember when I was in practice, I was going through my notes one day and I'd seen all these referrals from this patient. I couldn't remember who this patient was. And then I got his chart out, looked at it. I remember the visit. I walked in the office, and his body language was all scrunched up. And I asked, "Can I help you?" My wife wants me to come here. And he goes, "I don't know if I believe in this stuff." So I did my examination, and I told him, "I don't think I can help you. No charge for today." He went out, and years later, he's my #1 referral source, a patient I never even treated. It's, don't chase after money. Don't chase after the wrong patients. There's certain people that they're not going to get it.
And don't be finite-minded. Like, this is like, learn from lawyers, right? A lawyer charges you for your first-time consultation.
Yes.
Right? So right off the bat, you hate them, right? Because they haven't done anything yet, and they're charging you for you to discover that you don't want to work with them, right?
So we're not using that as practice management, by the way. He's giving away free care. So in your opinion, what's the most common challenges that leaders face when trying to inspire our teams? You call us visionary officers, but how can we inspire them? Because you don't want to just like get in front of the parade and follow me. How do you get the message out to inspire people?
Okay, so talking about inspiration, again, if you start with why, you're going to be more inspiring, right? It's also a recruiting tool. It's a reinforcement tool when you're in. But remember, you're there to see your people grow. Think of them like your children, right? Find out where they're strong, encourage them, and catch them doing things right. We so often catch people doing things wrong, right? Catch people doing things right. Reinforce the behaviors you want rather than constantly punishing the behaviors you don't want. Change your incentive structures to get the behaviors you want. So this happened to me very young in my career. I worked at a big ad agency early in my career, and new business pitches were usually done by the senior people. And it was Christmas time, so all the senior people went off to vacation. We had a big pitch sometime in January, and I was left back at the office because I didn't have vacation. And they told me and another junior person, prepare the war room, which I apologize as a Marine. It basically means hang the research on the walls, right? Well, that took an hour, and we had a week to kill. So we decided to do the whole pitch ourselves. We did the strategy, we combed through the research, we came up with an insight, we wrote the whole pitch deck. And the senior leaders came back, we showed them our work, and they actually used our deck in the new business pitch, and we lost the business.